So here we are on the World's End estate. The road down there is embankment. Behind that the houseboats, and then looking onto the Thames. There's Chelsea Harbour in the background there. On that big tower there's a hotel there where the players stay before many of the big games, and a lot of the away teams stay there as well, in the Wyndham. These are the towers of the World's End estate, and the tower in the background there is the Jimmy Greaves Tower, or the Greaves Tower, named after Jimmy Greaves, one of our top goal scorers of all time. And then just around the back there you can see the blue stanchions of Stamford Bridge, and between the two towers you can also see the stanchions of the East Stand. So that's the ground, and then if you swing out from there you can see Earl's Court, and then right in the distance there you can see the arch of Wembley Stadium. Down below there you've got the King's Road where all the cars are on. On the other side of the river you have Battersea. So there you go, that's an aerial view of the surroundings of Stamford Bridge.